Before we get started, are birds real? I'm making a game about a drone operator who flies robotic birds around town, so check out the link in the description below. So for years now, I've been looking into Sprinter vans and ProMasters, but it's never once crossed my mind to check out ambulances. But I just found one for only $2K, so I'm gonna go check it out, see what it's all about. So I saw a YouTube video about a week ago and have since become absolutely obsessed with trying to find an ambulance. Luckily, I think I found a good deal on one about 4 hours away.
So you can see here's the plates for the handles, but they probably needed it for parts. We have taken nothing out of this thing at all.
So, but where was the inverter?
I'm assuming it goes in somewhere in this area here. So I didn't mess with it. But I'm pretty sure this door did. Oh, you know what? It's missing. I don't know if the linkage is sitting in here somewhere or not. Yeah. Okay. So.
It's missing a few pieces, but no big deal since I plan on demoing it all anyways. For the most part, the only one I need to replace is for the rear door handle. About to take it for a test drive before I buy it. Definitely not used to the sound of a diesel.
What's up? In Lorain, Ohio. Currently driving an ambulance.
Look how much it costs to fill up compared to my Lancer. The tank is nearly 3 times larger. Now to drive it 4 hours back. My parents were a bit confused at first.
What does that mean?
What do you think?
I found an ambulance repair shop about an hour away, so I drove up there so they could help me find the missing pieces to my door handle.
So,
Here's the brand.
Besides the missing linkage, the rear doors were actually jammed, as they are supposed to be lubricated every 30 days. Temporarily removing the windows let us access the jammed mechanism and set it free.
I've got to get to the bottom of the door panel.
brand new.
Oh, try to get it open? I'm just as surprised as you can.
Look at that.
Yeah, they were.
Now that I'm back home, it's a bit surreal seeing this parked outside. And now, it's time to disassemble everything. It turns out, the majority of the nails and screws are actually hiding behind the veneer, but I wanted to at least tackle all the exposed ones. See a bird's nest. The next day I had my friend Nick come over and help me demo out the cabinets and the stretcher bed mounting since he had way more tools than I do.
I was gonna use that.
Now that the first wave of the demo was over, it was time to scavenge the local junkyard.
I got 4 of them now.
This vent replacement was only $2. I also finally removed the massive box in the cabin and installed some cup holders. Life-changing.
Might need a new doghouse. Cup holder itself looked great. Like if I could pull the water jug out from here, I have the sink like right here. I have this completely removed. Plus then you could basically stand like right here. Kind of off center a little bit, but if you wanted. I have plenty of space for a sink, like right here. The fridge, like right here, so you'd open it, and then the countertop would pull out like right here. And that's why this would be the desk. And then I could like sit right here, plug in, have it end around here, and then have this area for a little TV area slash charging station and whatnot. And that already takes up the full length of the bed, basically, the wall, basically. But inside here, there's an external cabinet, and inside here, so I might move all the electrical stuff into here. And some people have actually slid this down into here without cutting any wires at all, and then you can remove this entire thing. So if we could remove this whole thing and this thing, we could almost fit, I don't know, a sink here or a pop-up shower. Options.
Then I decided to drive another 4 hours north up to Illinois to borrow the Habitat for Humanity's workshop, since the ambo is too large to fit in my garage. So shout out to my friend Trigo. Definitely lucked out on the connection, as they have a heated barn with 10 or so of every type of tool.
Looks pretty good.
Before we get started, a quick coffee run.
Oh, hi. Magic, they open up.
Wow, it actually is kind of spacious.
Yeah, so this, the bench here.
Started off with removing the floor using a crowbar and a hammer. Once we found the heat gun, the process went much faster, but still took several hours. Then it was time to break down the couch and the garbage can, but actually keeping the boxes underneath for either water or battery storage. One of the last things to go are the plates for the stretcher. After that, the only thing standing in my way was the cabinet and soon-to-be kitchenette area.
Found the hidden screws.
Look at all the floor space. If there are robots in there, so many activities.
Now that the demo is finished, here's a sneak peek at the first upgrade for the Ambo. Make sure you like and subscribe to see when part 2 comes out.